Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. So today also we are going to start with our grammar section, lesson number 4 on page number 14. Name of the lesson is nouns, number and gender. Now nouns, number and gender. This gender is the part, another part, so that we will see in the next video. Now we will continue with nouns, number. Now as in lower classes, that is in standard 1st, standard 2nd, you had the topic, this topic was there. Now the name of the topic has been changed. You in 1st standard, one or more than one, okay, that was the name of the topic. Singular and plural, you are much familiar with this word. So see here, number, singular and plural. Now singular, what do you mean by singular? Singular means one, only one, and plural means more than one. Okay, so let us start. Noun can be singular or plural. A noun that refers to one person or thing is said to be in a singular number. Okay, now noun can be singular or plural. First thing. Second thing, a noun that refers to one person or thing is said to be in a singular number. Okay, now a noun that refers to more than one person or thing, it is said to be plural number, as I said before only. So you know, HAND, hand. Hand means single hand, one hand. Hands, two hands. Okay, fox, foxes. Tomato, tomatoes. Leaf, leaves. Now monkey, monkeys. Tooth, teeth. Child, children. Sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. Okay, now noun that have only a singular form or only a plural form. Now there are some nouns which have only a singular form or a plural form. Let us see. Some nouns always occurs in singular. There are some nouns which always occurs in singular form only. They do not have plural form. They do not have plural form. Example, proper noun. Now proper noun are always in singular. Reena, Hyderabad, Timmy, Jupiter, Christmas. Now these are what? These all are proper noun. Now we can't say Reena, Reenas. Okay, Hyderabad, Hyderabad's. Only one city is there, one girl is there. Okay, so there are some of the nouns that is proper noun. They come in which form? Singular form only. Abstract noun, humility, honesty, pride, sincerity, conciteness. This also. Okay, so abstract nouns also are in which form? Singular form. Material noun, milk, rice, oil, water, gold. These material nouns are also in which form? Singular form. Other nouns, news, mathematics, athletics, furniture, baggage. These are what? Other nouns. These are also what? They are also in a singular form. Okay, now some nouns always occur in the plural. Now there are some of the nouns which always occurs in which form? Plural form. They do not have a singular form and they do not have a singular form. They are always written in plural form. Example, scissors, clothes, trousers, thanks, congratulations, spectacles, jeans, etc. So these are some of the nouns which always occurs in plural form. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So let us start on page number 15. On page number 15, we will see the first question. Question number 1. Rewrite the sentence given below using the plural forms of the noun. Make any other changes that are necessary. Now see the first one. The woman left her scarf on the shelf. The woman, M-A-N, so here M-E-N, left her, so their scarves on the shelves. Okay, now see the second one. A young lawyer entered the court. Now here we have to make the changes over here, the underlined word, that is lawyer, and here is court. Okay, now see what you will write. A young lawyer will become what? Lawyers. Lawyers. entered, A-N-T-E-R-E-D, entered the courts. Okay, S. Here also S and here also S. Let us see the second one. The child caught a butterfly. Now the child will become what? The children. The children caught. See, there was singular form, so A was there. Now we have to make it in plural form, so A will not come, and you have to write butterflies, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S. okay, butterfly, butterflies. Okay, so from question number 4 to question number 12 you have to complete with yourself. Okay, you have to complete this exercise. Now I hope you have understood till here. Now we will take the second part, that is what? Gender. Now let us see what is this gender. Now gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neutral gender. Now this is also not a new topic for you. This topic was also there in 5th standard. So let us see. Nouns in the masculine gender refers to a male people or animals. Now masculine gender refers to which? Male people. Male people means boy, okay, then uncle, okay, animal, lion, peacock, they are what? They are the male people and male animal. Okay, see now example: man, lion, peacock, masculine gender. Okay, now nouns in the feminine gender refers to female people or animals. Now what nouns in feminine gender refers to female? For example, woman, okay, then lioness, tigress, peacock, peahen, they are what? They are all female. So see here example: woman, lioness, peahen, tigress, this all are what? Feminine gender. Now common gender: noun in the common gender refers to either male or female people or animal. Now here in common gender either the people may be male or female. For example, teacher, as you know, sir are there. Okay, remove, don't think about a teacher. If doctor, we say doctor can be male also, female also. Okay, then cousin can also be male, female. Okay, so this type. For example, parent. Now in parent, mummy is also there, father is also there. Okay, animal. Now in animal also there are male also, female also, bird also, male also, female also. Okay, so these are which type of gender? Common gender. Noun in the neutral gender refers to neither male nor female. Now in neutral gender it is neither a male nor a female, people or animal. They refer to things that do not have life. Now what they refer in neutral gender? They refer to a thing which do not have life. For example, rubber, pencil, pen, they are what? Neutral gender. Okay, because they don't have life. Now example: page, vase, table. Okay, so these are the 4 gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neutral gender. Now nouns in the masculine gender can be changed to the feminine gender in different ways. Now there are some nouns which can be changed from masculine gender to feminine gender, okay, in the different ways. Some are changed by either completely changing the word. There are some of the genders which are completely, the spelling are changed. Okay, changing the spelling or adding words. Either the full spellings are changed, either some words are put. Okay, so see here: nephew, niece, master, mistress. Okay, so this is the masculine gender, this is the feminine gender. Now hero, heroine, landlord, landlady. Okay, these are what? These are some of the nouns where completely the spelling changes or some of the words are added. Okay, so let us see on the page number 15 again, question number 2. Rewrite the sentence given below using the opposite gender of the underlined words. Okay, now a goose is bigger than a duck. A gander is bigger than a drake. See, duck, drake, goose, gander. Now his nephew decided to become a monk. Okay, so now we have to change the second one. So in second video we will see how we have to change this. Okay.